Follow Fit Foodie Essentials for more viral hacks. A Snickers bar that is actually good for you? These Viral Date Snickers are legit.
Start with Medjool dates. Remove the pit. These are nature's caramel.
Stuff it with natural peanut butter, or almond butter if you prefer.
Add a few roasted peanuts for that classic Snickers crunch.
Dip the whole thing in melted dark chocolate. The darker, the better.
Top with flaky sea salt. Freeze for 20 minutes to set the shell.